Here I will explain some essential file command. Alright, let's say at first create a file. How to create touch file dot txt. Right, now ls long list, our file is created. Here the screen. Now enter the file nano. Okay, this is our file. Now I am typing here I am typing some text. I am learning Linux. All right, Linux based distro for industry is Red Hat. Okay, there are many like OpenSUSE. Okay, open and Ubuntu. Okay, there are many distro, Fedora, CentOS. Okay, in our online we will learn Java, Python, SQL, etc. Okay, so I'm writing some text. You can write many lines. Today sunny day. Anything I can write. I'm writing it to test. All right, and this is a spelling mistake. Open to see. Okay, anyway, now let's say networking. We will learn also networking. Okay, fine. Now save it. Control O X. I am going to write a command WC. And fine. So what is this WC mean? Cat. See the content of the file. See here that 14, right? And this is 41, and this is 231. This 14 actually line. How many line here? All right, and 41 is word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is word, and 231 is character. Okay, 14 words, 41 words, 41 lines, and 231 character. All right, in this file. So WC word count. All right, how to see that? Manual page, man, WC. So here we can see the details of this manual page of this WC. Okay, ls is our file. So WC file, we can get some details. All right, and cat is a command. It shows content of the file. Okay, now if I type head n minus n to file, okay, it will show 2 line of the head. If you type 3, it will type 3 line of the head. If you type 4 first 4 line. If you type 5, it will show first 5 line of the text. When we have long file, we write this. All right, tail, we can also do tail minus n, let's say 3. It will show last 3 line. Okay, now if you write here, let's say 6, it is going to show last 6 line of the file. All right, this is some basic command of the file. There is also command called file. File itself is a command. File.text. So it is showing us this is a text file. Okay, ASCII. Now there is another command called stat. file. Okay, this state shows some more details about the file. The size of the file 231. This is Linux. We will learn this later. And birth, when this file was created, and this is file permission. I have another video, you may check. Okay, this is the inode number of the file. If you create a file, let's say touch file 2.txt. okay, now type here ls stat file 2. You see, this also has inode. Okay, and size is 0. This file has no content, so this size is 0. And file, this is size 231. Okay, here is block 0, here is block 8. Okay, important thing is to understand that difference between these two files. This file has data, that's why it is showing the size, and this file 2 has no data, that's why it is not showing any size. All right, and inode, both file has different inode. Okay, you can also see inode ls minus li. Okay, if you type this, it will also show different inode. So this is the basic of this file related command. To see some command, what did you learn? That touch creates the file, and cat, it shows the content of the file. Then file is a command, stat also command, wc, head, tail. Okay, some of this command you've learned. If you have any question, you can type or ask, or if you find any mistake, let me know. Thank you.